Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another version of Peely. This time it's the P-1000. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out drawing the juice part of Peely first. So we're just going to be drawing like a rectangle, but slightly wider on the top. So this would be Peely's face, I guess. Okay, and then once we have that, we're gonna draw in his eyes. So just somewhere in the middle right here. Just one circle and then another one on the other side. And let me add in my highlights, so two little circles inside. And then I'll just go ahead and shade around it. Alright, that looks better. Okay, and then from there for his mouth, which is really easy, just a little smiley face on the bottom. Alright, so now let's finish up the jug around Peely here. So for the base, I'm just going to extend this line and come down with a rectangle. And then now for the side here, I'm just going to follow that slant, go all the way up. Close it off, and then for the top it's just one big dome shape. Alright, so that's Peely's face, and now let's draw in the suit around it. So we're going to start on the bottom here. Just draw one big curve right underneath the head. Okay, and then come back up here, go to the side, just give it a little bit of space, and we're going to draw one curve coming down. Just connect that. So just come out here from the corners. Just curve it down and close it off. And then we're going to continue this curve going up. So go past his head. And then close off the top, just a flat line. And since we're up here, let's just go ahead and add in some details. Two circles inside. Okay, and then there's some padding underneath. So from this point here, I'm just gonna curve out again. And then come back up here, somewhere on the side. And then same thing, just curve it and connect it. And then to make it look like padding, just add some lines like this. So whatever you draw on that side, just make it same thing on the other side. Alright, so that's the head, and now let's move on to the body. So for the body, we're just gonna come right on the side here. Just come down. It's basically one big block. And on the corners, I'm just gonna round it off a little bit and then close it off. Or if it's easier, you can just make it a sharp corner, that will work too. Okay, and then on the inside here, just one line across. Let's add two little circles right here. And then now right here, we're gonna come up. Let's draw one line going down. And then it's got this big sticker right here. So I'm just gonna draw like an oval on its side, slightly tilted. Alright, and we can add in the text later, but I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. Okay, let's come down a little bit more and finish up the hip area right here. So for his waist, just come down, it's gonna be kind of skinny. Okay, and then for the hip, just extend the line. And we'll just draw one rectangle here. And then right in the middle, draw two slants coming down, and then close it off. And then right here on the corner, just gonna draw a little circle just for some details. Okay, so now let's move back up and we'll finish up his arm. So his arm is really easy. Just come out right around here. Just draw a little rectangle first. So same thing on the other side. Okay, and then from this corner here, just gonna be one big curve. So just come down, curve it right around here. Go back up here, just extend it up, come across. So we're gonna turn it into like a big bar, and then we're gonna draw the same curve. Let's go all the way down and just taper it in a little bit so it's a little bit smaller right here. And then close it off. Okay, and then right here we're gonna continue on with his fingers. So it's pretty much gonna be the same curve. Okay, so just come down again and close it off. And then for his thumb, we're gonna come back here, one little angle, just come back up and go back into the arm. Okay, and then right here we're gonna finish this. So a little curve right here, just connect that. Alright, so now let's draw on the other side. So it's gonna be pretty much the same thing. So start here again, just curve it down. So use the other side for reference. And then we'll go up again, come across, and then again we're gonna draw same curve and just taper it in. So it's a little bit smaller right here. Close it off, and then the same thing here for the fingers. Just gonna curve it in. And then for the thumb, come up here. Okay, just go back up into the arm. And if you like, we can add in some other fingers on the back. So it's just gonna be one little bump right here. Okay, and then for, oh, almost forgot this right here. One big curve. And then let's add in some details. So right here, just one little rectangle first. And now we'll add in a bunch of lines coming down. So I'm just gonna go across. Just try to space it evenly if you can. So I've got 5 here, so I'm gonna draw 5 here as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so those are his arms, and for his legs, it's pretty much the same like the arms. We're gonna make it a little bit more 3-dimensional. So right in this corner right here, just draw a little angle like this first. Alright, so this one's gonna be a little bit different. So right here from this angle, we're gonna start on this corner. I'm gonna draw one big curve coming down. So this is gonna be his leg. Let's come all the way down. And then from this corner, pretty much the same curve. I'm just gonna follow it down. And then close it off. Okay, and then we're gonna draw one more. So from this corner, just kind of make it a little bit skinnier. Just come in, into this line a little bit more. And then again, just close it off. Okay, so this one, we're seeing it from the side, so it makes it a little bit more 3-dimensional. Alright, so let's try it again on the other side. So from this corner, let's curve all the way down. Just use the other side for reference. And then on this corner, same curve coming down. And then close it off. And then now in this corner, just come down and just make it a little bit skinnier. And then close that off. Alright, and then once we have the legs, the foot's really easy. Just draw a little rectangle or a square on the bottom. Extend it out. And just come up, just slant and then go in. So we'll keep it simple. Okay, so come down with a square. Extend the bottom line, and then we'll just slant it up. Okay, and then before we add in the details, let's finish up the leg here. Looks like it's floating right now. So I'm just gonna draw 2 lines just to connect them. And then there's gonna be a rod in here. So this one's easy. We just draw 1 line like this and then draw another one. Okay, and then lastly, we're gonna add in those lines just like for the arm. So right here, I'm gonna draw this side first. So I'm just gonna go all the way down. Just make it horizontal. Okay, maybe I'll just draw 4 then. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then once we have those lines, we have to draw the one on the side here. So this one's gonna be at a slight angle. So start here, just kind of angle it down. And that is it for this P-1000. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.